Is there someone called Mildred? Mildred. Stand up. Is there any of you that knows someone called Nathaniel?
Papa.
Who is
My
he?
son, Papa.
Is your son?
Yes, sir.
Where is he?
He's here.
Get him. Who knows this lady? Look at me. Look at me. As I was talking, I just had that name. And as you stood in front of me, I had a word. And this is a counsel from the Almighty. That they that want to take you and this child will replace you. Look at me, look at me. I don't know where you come from, but I saw a man who is angry. And he has thrown an arrow, but he wants to make it look physical. This lady thinks I'm guessing. I saw you in the spirit realm, in a vehicle. I saw a vehicle. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
And I saw another vehicle hit that vehicle. And I saw in the realms of the spirit, when heaven shows up for preservation, sometimes allow certain things happen so that you are aware that he saved you. When you what would have taken and squeezed out somebody's brain only ends up just on a bumper, a scratch.
Yes, Papa.
Yes, what?
I had an accident in front of the church, and it was under the bumper. The baby was in the car, Papa.
Your baby was, is your member?
Yes, Papa.
Your baby was in the car.
Yes, Papa.
And it scratched the bumper.
Yes, Papa.
Come, open your hand.